Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make a fresh garden salad with an Indian vinaigrette dressing. For this garden salad, we're going to need some nice head of lettuce. You chop it nice and big and finish that. You want your peppers to be diced in nice squares so they're nice and crunchy in your mouth. And then the onion will be sliced finely thin. And this tomatoes will be cut in half. So let's get everything of this ready and then we'll make our dressing. For this Indian vinaigrette, you're going to need apple cider vinegar, enough olive oil, salt and pepper, and of course our green chutney, which makes it very Indian-y. It has cilantro, ginger, garlic paste in this. So we commence. We just put this here, emulsification of oil and vinegar. So about 2 tablespoons of this vinegar. Okay, and then just stir it well. And now I'm going to slowly drizzle in my olive oil and keep on whipping it. And this is all it takes to make a good vinaigrette. Simple salt, pepper, and generous amount of oil, salt and pepper. Here you are. Now I'm going to whisk it really good. And to this I'm going to add some pepper and a little salt to taste. Okay, let's whip this back again. So now dressing is nicely whipped, so we're going to pour this on the freshly cut salad and just mix it well, lift it and toss it well. Let it all get entrenched with all the lettuce. Let it sit in the fridge for half an hour. If you like this garden salad recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. And subscribe also to our topperchef.com website. Happy cooking!